My name's David, and today in slow motion I'm going to be smashing apples, blood oranges, including this disgusting moldy one, plums, tomatoes, and these tiny little tangerine oranges. So first up, I'm going to be smashing an apple. Let's do it. All right, second apple, let's go. All right, so now we're moving on to those mini oranges, those little tangerines. Let's see what happens. Woo! All right, next up we got a tomato. I think I might grab another. I got a rotten one in my garden. We'll do 2 tomatoes. Let's go. All right, so I've got 2 rotten tomatoes. I'm gonna make a little hat here, and let's smash this and see what this looks like. All right, we've got a moldy plum loaded up on deck. Let's see what happens. All right, we're on to our final 2 pieces of fruit, which are both blood oranges. One of them is really moldy. It's starting to get slippery around here. There's so much fruit. Let's hit that again. Oh. Get that all in my face. So let's take a look at the aftermath here. Absolute mess. There's juice everywhere, chunks of stuff everywhere. And as for the cameras, you can see the light here is just coated in chunks everywhere, as well as this bag on the camera. So hopefully you enjoyed this episode of me smashing fruit in slow-mo in my backyard. If you want to see more of these, I got more ideas planned. Just let me know in the comments below what you want to see me smash. And until next episode, have a great day.